Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Blackhawk, stock reference number 5820. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2022. It has a 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic full drive transmission. 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has one large dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and suede interior. Automatic console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.